It does show you, right? Correct?
Yes.
And it shows again Angela, correct?
Yes.
Shows something else on there though, doesn't it? Doesn't it show your hand?
Yes.
And in fact, let me show you another close-up of that hand. That's a picture of your left hand, isn't it?
Yes.
And that shows your ring finger, right?
Yes.
According to you, he kicked you and he damaged your ring finger on the left hand, correct?
Yes.
And in fact, you even held it up for us, didn't you?
Yes.
And it was crooked when you showed it to us, wasn't it?
It's bent. Yes.
It's bent. Show us how bent it is again, ma'am. It's higher so we can see it sideways. Ma'am, if he caused that damage on January 22nd of 2008, that would have been before this picture that we have here, which is exhibit number 453. It would have been about 5 months before that, right?
It was before that.
5 months, right?
4.
4 months then, right?
Yes.
You don't have a bent finger here in exhibit 453, do you?
My finger is bent there.
You're saying that your finger is bent there.
Yes. Just
Hold
the
up your
same.
finger again. Sideways so we could also see it.
When my fingers are straightened, this one stays
And
bent.
that's what it looks like, your finger. And you're saying that's what happened on January 22nd, 2008, right?
Yes.
If I recall correctly, that's you and your sister Angela, right?
Yes.
All right. You would concede that there's no visible bend in your finger, at least in terms of any injury, correct?
Correct. Well, it's sort of bent.
Right. How tall are you, Miss Arias?
I think I'm 5'5.5" or 5'6", somewhere around there.
I'm a little taller than that, so I'm going to ask Miss Wilmott to come forward. Jodi, if you could step down, please, in front of the jury.
Judge, for purposes of this, we need to have Miss Wilmot's height and whatever it is that she's wearing. Other than that, I would object on the grounds of relevance.
The objections are overruled.
And we'll just have Miss Wilmott, for the record, state her height.
I would say I'm 5'3", 5'4" with heels on. I can't be certain. I don't know how high my heels are.
If you could, Jodi and Miss Wilmott, could we see you, for lack of a better term, recreate the pose we see in Exhibit 452? And if you could turn. Okay, thank you.